centimeter race, all right? So from the red cone all the way to the green cone, all right? All right, Purple House, we are ready. Everyone else, please step to the side. Please step to the side. Purple House, please step to the side. Purple House, please step. Okay. All right. We're about to begin. On your mark, get set, go. No. Stop. Put it up. Put it up. Put it up. Put it up. Stop, guys. Stop. Guys, we have to rerun that race. Stop. There was a false stop. No. We all have to start. No. All right, are you guys hearing me? All right, we're going to do that again.
They can do it.
All right, so let's go. On your mark. Guys, come on. We have to work with the weather. On your mark. On your mark. On your mark, get set, go! Guys, it was one way. It was one way. It was Guys.
Yeah.
Are you guys hearing me clearly?
Yeah.
It is one way.
Watch that
It's
video
just a
and see.
50 meter, not 50-meter relay. 50 meter. So, judges, you guys good? You saw who won?
Yeah.
I saw a clear winner. But second and third I'm having a challenge. Because the same cost.
We have the replay.
Okay.
Yeah, we have the replay. We watch it.
All right, males, cue the males, please. Kids 5 through 9. Males. Males 5 through 9, please, Purple House. All right, males, Purple House. Huh? 5 through 9. Males 5 through 9. All right. All right. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Run across.
Run, baby, run.
Run.
Yay! Nice.
Good job.
Just want to make sure you pass it.
Good job.
All right. Can we cue the 10? The kids 10 through 15. Kids 10 through 15. Male and female. All right. Kids 10 through 15, male and female. Purple house, red house. Okay. So kids 10 through 15, male and female, can we have them queued up?